So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix my post not showing in my Instagram profile. So if you make a post and you can't find the post on your Instagram profile, let me show you how to fix it. So first of all, now close the Instagram app. After you close your Instagram, now go and open up your Play Store or App Store. So after you open one of them, go ahead and click on the search and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, now click on the Instagram icon. So from there, if your Instagram is outdated, go ahead and update your Instagram. After you update your Instagram, just go back and open the Instagram app like this. So after you open the Instagram, just go to your Play Store, go to your profile. After you open the profile, so from there, if you refresh your account like this, from there your app, as you can see now, you'll be able now to see your post like this now. But if you try this still is not working, just go ahead and uninstall the Instagram from your device and install the Instagram back again and try again. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.